Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to share a room tour of our inside cabin on Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas cruise ship, and also share with you a tour of an Oceanview balcony room. We still have quite a few cruise videos to share with you from our sailing on Wonder of the Seas earlier this year, but we had taken a little break. But let's take a look. We're going to start with our room tour of our interior cabin on Deck 3. This will look similar to other interior cabins on the ship.
Oh, look how dark it is.
Ooh, creepy. That's smart, they lit it up. Woo!
Don't freak out.
We are on Wonder of the Seas in an inside room. So this is it. No windows and no doors. Gregory, what are you doing?
I don't know, why would they put a string there if you're not supposed to pull it?
Don't pull it. So, okay, anyway, here's a sliding, ooh, nice size closet here. Look, hangers. There's the safe. Lots of shelving.
Funny?
What?
That they put us by the bionic bar. We're on the third floor, so we're not going to make it. But they're getting drunk. That's why it's a robot bar, because the workers won't be there either.
Yep, that's a big TV for a cruise ship.
They want you to go down happy.
Lots and lots of, oh, there's your hair dryer for all you people that ask about hair dryers. Here's the little mini fridge that's kind of more like a cooler than a fridge.
Pizza.
Greg wants to get a whole pizza from Sorrento's since he found out you could ask for a whole pizza from Sorrento's. Lots and lots of shelves, so lots of storage in this tiny room. Plugs under the TV. Here is the king-size bed. You can request it be made into 2 twin beds.
Which we will do.
Which we will not do. There's the phone. Here's the cute little, it does not come with a Tide to Go pen. Here's the cute little mirrors. And chair. More plugs under here. So the American outlets, the European outlets, and the fast charge USBs, which is nice. Here's a nice full-length mirror to get ready with. And there are more plugs and USBs right here on either side of the light. More shelves. How's the bed feel? Actually, it's nice and comfy. It's nice. You have to put your card in for the lights.
But they do light up the thing, so it's nice.
Yeah, it is nice and bright. Here's your, look, there's a fan, Greg.
Let's crank that beast up.
I don't know what that does in the temperature.
It's in Celsius.
And here is the bathroom. Gregory! Here is the sink area. There's some nice glasses in the bathroom. Nice well-lit mirror. This is a very nice bright bathroom. Here is the shower area. We can't both fit in here. What are you doing?
I just want to know what that was.
Greg's touching things. Here is the walk-in shower. And there's this little thing to hang bathing suits and stuff to dry.
You say hang babies? Bathing
suits. Body wash, double duty hair and body wash. Oh, a little glass tray for things. This comes out so you can hand hold it. This is the toilet that will suck everything. Suck the, listen, language. And lots of towels and extra toilet paper. And look, there's a toilet brush. Greg's going to need that.
Ask the lady from the last
hangers. Your safety information. Excellent. You know what? This is our first time in an inside cabin. It's not too bad. You can deal with it.
Look like they're having fun on the Titanic.
We are on the 3rd floor. It's a little freaky, but we're on vacation.
You know what? At least we're not the 4th floor. Did you smell when the elevator opened?
No.
It smelled like smoke.
Oh, yeah, we don't want to be on the 4th floor. That's where the casino is. Yeah. I'm quite content on my 3rd floor. But yeah, it's a nice little room actually. And on this side of the bed too, there is more USB. So both sides have plugs, which is nice.
Paint me like one of your French girls.
Are you ready for vacay?
I've been on vacation since Wednesday.
Yeah, but now it begins. We can drop stuff off in our room.
Well, we gotta get our suitcase. Your suitcase will be in the naughty room.
It will. I bought candles in Disney Springs, so I expect to be in the naughty room. Greg won't be. Awesome. Well, here's our room tour. So enjoy the rest of the cruise with us. Now we're going to show you a comparison of an Oceanview balcony room to help you make the decision what type of cabin you're looking for. Do it, Greg, do it.
I did. We're not moving.
Oh. There is USBs and plugs again next to the bed. Little storage cubby. Little hangers under the TV.
In pursuit of the quarterback.
More USB and plugs. More little cubbies. Lots of storage. And a safe. Lots of storage here.
So how old-fashioned?
And some birthday cake. This is the couch mess. Here's the hangers. Oh, they get extra hangers. Oh my god, they get 2 closets. Get out of here, I'm filming. This is identical to our room last time. What are you doing? Ruining your
Ruining his carbon footprint.
Gregory.
See, that's why I got Uber green. You gotta fix my
We all know
corona.
how well that went.
Okay, so here is their shower area or bathroom. Nice well lit mirror. Don't rush to flush. Here's the scary toilet.
Oh, look at their air
paper.
conditioning unit.
There's another one of
We do.
these so you can hang your bathing suit across. Shower and a rainfall. Hair and body wash. Let's conserve together. I'm breaking.
Like pre-production.
I'm filming your room. And here is the plug and a nice full-length mirror here. Look how nice and spacious. There's 4 people in this room right now. Oh, and here's the mini fridge. Well, there you have it, a cabin tour of both an interior cabin and an ocean view balcony cabin. If you're looking to cruise on a budget, there's a huge price difference, of course, between an interior cabin and a balcony room, so you're going to find cheaper interior rooms for sure. If you're looking to relax while looking out at the water and the latest port and don't mind spending the extra money, opt for the balcony cabin instead. You can also get balcony cabins looking inside the ship as well, over the boardwalk and Central Park neighborhoods on the ship. If you're looking for a room that has additional space, as you could see in this video, your balcony rooms definitely have more space. Lots of closet space, the couch area, and of course the balcony itself. There was no difference in the size of the bathrooms, but the overall room size was absolutely more spacious. We hope these cabin tours help you as you decide what type of cabin you're looking for during your Wonder of the Seas sailing. There are lots of other types you can check out on Royal Caribbean's website as well. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate if you would hit the like button and subscribe to follow along on our next adventure. We have a playlist on our sailing for Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas cruise ship, as well as a playlist of our Harmony of the Seas sailing, so make sure to check those out. If you like Disney, theme parks, food, and travel, check out our channel. Thanks for watching!